Hi friends, welcome to GRIAS Academy. Today we will discuss the topics which are there in the news. Ironwood, the AI chip that could redefine Google's future. So what is this topic? Why it is in news? We will discuss friends. So the key highlights of this topic, it is launched by the Google, introduces Ironwood. It's a 7th generation TPU. TPU means Tensor Processing Unit. Now it is available globally to AI developers. So the purpose of this Ironwood AI chip is engineered for training and running massive machine learning models. So significance of this topic represents Google's boldest move in the AI infrastructure race. And the impact of this Ironwood, it is directly challenges to the NVIDIA's GPU dominance. So what is this NVIDIA's GPU and why it is challenging to the Ironwood? So we'll discuss friends. NVIDIA's GPU means graphics processing units, have long been the most powerful and popular hardware for training and running artificial intelligence models. So almost every big AI company like OpenAI, Meta, Microsoft relies heavily on NVIDIA's chips. So Google's Ironwood TPU is now a new type of AI processor built specifically for machine learning and designed to match or outperform NVIDIA's GPUs in speed, energy, efficiency, and scalability. By releasing Ironwood to developers worldwide, Google is no longer keeping its AI hardware private. This move allows others to use Google's chips instead of NVIDIA's, creating real competition in the AI hardware market. Christmas Island. So why it is in use we'll discuss friends. Google to build a large AI data center